with you.
So you know barbecue season is afoot, and guess what? You gotta have sauces. So today I'm gonna be grilling some apple, right, juice chicken, okay? But I'm gonna be glazing it with a apple bourbon sauce, okay? And this is the sauce that I'm using, right? I reduced it down, get my tasting chopsticks. You know, I gotta have those. Still hot. Oh, nice. Sweet, fruity. Oh, and this stuff would go good, like I said, on chicken, pork. Hey, it's excellent. Check this video out. Enjoy the recipe. I mean, come on. Get your barbecue on. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So this sauce is real simple, right? We got about a cup of apple juice, right? About a quarter cup, right, of bourbon, right? We got about a quarter of a cup of brown sugar. We got about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and that's it, right? We're gonna put this in a pot, and we're gonna reduce it to our desired thickness. And that's, of course, up to you. All right, so our pan's heating up. We're gonna add the apple juice. Okay, get that in. Now we're gonna add the bourbon. Okay, you wanna add the apple juice first, because if you add that bourbon first on a hot pan, it might flambe and burn your face off. And you're not trying to flame up the house, so don't do that. Then we're going to add our brown sugar. Right? And now our Dijon mustard. Let's get that all in there. Dijon goes in, and we mix it up. See if we can get some more of this Dijon in it. Scoop it in. I know I'm petty like that. See if we can get some more of that in there. Now we want this to come to a light boil. And then we're going to turn it down to simmer so it can reduce. You want to reduce this by at least about a half. If you want it a little more runnier, reduce it by a quarter. You know, it's up to you. But you definitely want to reduce it so you can burn off that alcohol. So now we have a nice little rolling boil here. We want to turn it down to medium-low. Right? But keep your eye on it, because those bubbles will get bigger and it will overflow your pot if you're not watching. It's the sugars that are burning. The water's evaporating out, so it's leaving the sugars, and the sugars are what you see and expand. So while this is reducing, it's not going to take that long, so stay with it, right? Stir it from time to time. Do not walk away from it. Respect the ingredients, because it can and will overflow on you, and it can burn if you're not watching, so respect it. So this glaze is going to be a nice light sweet glaze, and it's going to complement the marinade. Okay, it's going to complement the marinade quite nicely. In this case, what you don't want to do is reduce it too much. Like, this is fine. This would be a nice little glaze. You see that? You don't want it to be super thick. This will work. And with that, we're done. Let's go ahead and put this in the bowl. So here we go. This is our glaze. Right, so it's a nice apple bourbon glaze. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's give this a little look. There we have it. I know from a presentation standpoint it doesn't look like much, but this is incredible. It can go on chicken, pork. Sometimes you can even put it on steak, right? So I hope you try this recipe out. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you're not part of the Peanut Gallery, subscribe. Right? Join the Peanut Gallery. And if you haven't connected with me on Instagram, definitely do that. Shrashira. That being said, I'm getting ready to go out and I'm going to enjoy this sauce because I got some things percolating that I'm pretty sure by now you've already seen what I've done with this sauce. So enjoy your day and good eats.